Welcome back. Today, we're exposing the top 15 hacking tools used by both ethical hackers and cybercriminals. This is for awareness only. Don't try this at home. Let's pull back the curtain on the digital underworld. Number 15 on our list is Metasploit, often called the ultimate exploitation framework, and for good reason. If you're diving into the world of cybersecurity, Metasploit is a name you'll hear again and again. It's a massive, all-in-one toolkit designed for finding, testing, and exploiting vulnerabilities in computer systems. Whether you're a penetration tester or a security researcher, Metasploit gives you the power to probe networks and applications for weaknesses. What makes Metasploit truly stand out is its ability to automate complex attacks. With just a few clicks or commands, even beginners can launch sophisticated exploits that would otherwise take years to master. Security professionals rely on Metasploit to rigorously test their defenses, simulating real-world attacks to uncover hidden flaws. But in the wrong hands, it can become a digital battering ram, capable of breaking through even tough security barriers. The framework is constantly updated with the latest exploits and payloads, ensuring it stays at the forefront of cybersecurity technology. This means it's always ready to tackle new threats as they emerge. Metasploit simplifies the hacking process, turning what used to be hours of manual work into just a few streamlined commands. It's user-friendly, yet incredibly powerful. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife for hackers and security experts alike. Versatile, reliable, and packed with features. That's exactly why Metasploit earns its place at the very start of our list. It's the king of exploitation frameworks, and a must-have tool for anyone serious about cybersecurity. Number 14 is Nmap, the hacker's blueprint. Nmap scans networks, revealing every device, open port, and service. It identifies operating systems and software versions, crucial for finding weak spots. Hackers use it for reconnaissance, mapping out targets before launching attacks. Admins use it to secure their networks. Nmap turns a mystery network into a detailed map. No serious hacker skips an Nmap scan. At just 13 years old, Wireshark has already become the ultimate network eavesdropper, trusted by cybersecurity professionals and feared by those who value privacy. This powerful tool is like a magnifying glass for the internet, allowing users to peer into the invisible world of data flowing through networks. It captures and analyzes every single packet of data traveling across a network, breaking down the information into readable details. From emails to passwords, and even the websites you visit, nothing escapes its watchful eye if the data isn't protected. Imagine sitting in a coffee shop, connected to public Wi-Fi. If a hacker nearby is running Wireshark, they can potentially see everything you do online, your messages, your logins, your private information, unless your connection is encrypted. While Wireshark is a vital tool for IT professionals to diagnose and fix network issues, in the wrong hands, it becomes a tool for digital wiretapping, exposing sensitive data to prying eyes. That's why encryption is your only real defense. Encryption scrambles your data, making it unreadable to anyone intercepting it, even with Wireshark. Always check for HTTPS and the padlock icon in your browser's address bar. These are signs that your connection is secure and your data is protected from snooping. Wireshark reveals just how exposed your data can be on unprotected networks, serving as a powerful reminder to always safeguard your online activity. Number 12 is John the Ripper, the legendary password cracker. It attacks password hashes using massive dictionaries and brute force techniques. If your password is common or simple, John will find it fast. Hackers use it after data breaches to crack stolen hashes offline. Modern versions use GPUs for even more speed. Never reuse passwords. One breach can compromise everything. John the Ripper powers the password cracking world. Strong, unique passwords are your best defense. Number 11 is AirCrack NG, the Wi-Fi hacking suite. It cracks weak Wi-Fi passwords by capturing and analyzing wireless traffic. For old WEP, it's almost instant. For WPA2, it captures the handshake and attacks it offline. Simple passwords fall quickly. Use long, complex Wi-Fi passwords to stay safe. AirCrack NA exposes weak wireless security. Don't let your home network be an easy target. At 10, Hydra is the master of online brute force attacks. It targets live login services, websites, SSH, email, and more. Hydra tries thousands of passwords per minute, often in parallel. It can be stealthy to avoid lockouts. Weak passwords are no match. Two-factor authentication is your best defense. Hydra is a favorite for both testers and attackers. Don't leave your digital doors unlocked. Number 9 is Burp Suite, the web hacker's multi-tool. Whether you're a seasoned penetration tester or just starting out in cybersecurity, Burp Suite is an essential tool in your arsenal. Its intuitive interface and powerful features make it a favorite among professionals and hobbyists alike. Burp Suite intercepts and modifies web traffic, allowing hackers and security experts to manipulate requests and responses in real time. This means you can see exactly what data is being sent and received, and tweak it to test for weaknesses or bypass security controls. It scans for vulnerabilities like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, and many other common web flaws. With just a few clicks, Burp Suite can uncover hidden security holes that could put sensitive data at risk. Its intruder tool automates attacks, making it easy to brute force logins or test how a website handles unexpected input. This automation saves time and helps uncover issues that might be missed by manual testing. Pen testers rely on Burp Suite to find flaws before criminals do, helping organizations strengthen their defenses and protect user data. It's a critical part of any responsible security assessment. For black hats, it's a weapon for stealing data or taking over sites, making it a double-edged sword in the world of cybersecurity. The same features that help defenders can be exploited by attackers. Most major website hacks involve tools like Burp Suite, showing just how powerful and influential it is in both defending and attacking web applications. Web security starts with understanding tools like this. Learning how Burp Suite works is the first step to protecting yourself and your organization from the ever-evolving threats on the internet. Number 8 is SQL Map, the automated SQL injection tool. It finds and exploits database vulnerabilities in websites. With a single command, it can dump entire databases, steal data, or escalate privileges. SQL Map automates attacks that once took hours. Even beginners can use it to cause massive breaches. One vulnerability can expose millions of records. SQL Map is a reminder to patch and secure your web apps. Don't let your data be an easy target. Number 7 is Cain and Abel, a classic for password recovery and network sniffing. It performs man-in-the-middle attacks on local networks using ARP spoofing. Once in the middle, it captures passwords and can crack them with built-in tools. Even encrypted passwords aren't safe from its attacks. It's old, but still effective on vulnerable networks. Never trust public or unsecured networks. Cain and Abel proves local threats are real. Number 6 is the Social Engineer Toolkit, or SET. It automates phishing and social engineering attacks, targeting human psychology. SET can clone websites, craft malicious files, and launch mass phishing campaigns. It's highly customizable for targeted attacks. Even the best tech can't stop a well-crafted social attack. Always double-check links and attachments. SET shows that people are the weakest link. Stay skeptical, don't get tricked. Number 5 is Maltego, the ultimate OSINT tool. It maps out connections between people, emails, domains, and more using public data. Hackers use it for deep reconnaissance before attacks. It visualizes relationships, making targeted phishing easier. Security pros and law enforcement use it to track criminals. Maltego turns scattered info into a clear picture. Be mindful of what you share online. Number 4 is the Tor browser, the gateway to the dark web. Tor anonymizes your internet traffic by bouncing it through multiple encrypted relays. It hides your IP and lets you access .onion sites. Hackers rely on Tor for anonymity and to evade surveillance. Tor is also used by journalists and activists for privacy. It's a powerful tool for both good and bad. Anonymity is a double-edged sword. Number 3 is the keylogger, silent and deadly. It records every keystroke, capturing passwords, messages, and more. Keyloggers can be software or hardware, and are often delivered via phishing. They run invisibly, sending stolen data back to hackers. Antivirus and caution are your best defenses. One keylogger can compromise everything. Stay vigilant. Don't let one slip onto your system. Number 2 is Netcat, the Swiss Army knife for networking. It reads and writes data across networks, perfect for setting up backdoors or remote shells. Hackers use it for file transfers, port scanning, and even simple chat. Netcat's simplicity makes it endlessly versatile. It's a building block for countless attacks. Security pros use it for troubleshooting and testing. Netcat proves that simple tools can be the most powerful. And finally, number 1 is Reaver, the WPS Brute-Force Attacker. It exploits a flaw in Wi-Fi protected setup, guessing the PIN in hours. Once cracked, it reveals your Wi-Fi password, no matter how strong. If WPS is enabled, your network is at risk. Disable WPS immediately to stay safe. Reaver shows how one bad feature can break your security. Don't let convenience compromise your safety. That's the top 15 hacking tools, each a reminder of the threats out there. Knowledge is your best defense. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and stay alert. This video is for awareness, not for hacking. Stay safe, stay smart, and help build a more secure digital world. If you learned something new, like and subscribe. Let me know which tool surprised you most in the comments. See you next time.